Hi everyone, I'm Sunny Vic from the Mortgage Force team, and effective July 1st, 2020, it will become harder to qualify for a mortgage in Canada. Again. This afternoon, Thursday, June 4th, 2020, CMHC announced that they're going to be making some changes to the way that applicants qualify for insured mortgages. For those of you that don't know, a mortgage is insured in Canada when an applicant is putting less than 20% down. If you're putting more than 20% down, these rules will not apply to you. That being said, I wouldn't be surprised if there's some changes coming in the near future for conventional mortgages. So look out for future videos where I outline these changes. So there are three main changes that impact potential home buyers. Change number one, at least one applicant must now have a minimum credit score of 680. This has gone up from a minimum credit score of 600. If there's only one applicant on the mortgage, then this applicant must have a minimum score of 680. This is potentially going to kick a lot of people out of the market because those with only excellent credit can buy with anything less than 20% down. Rule number two, the maximum gross debt service and total debt service has been reduced from 39 and 44 to 35 and 42 respectively. In simple terms, people will qualify for a lot less than they already do. Some changes to this were introduced in 2016 when the government introduced the stress test. This will just further limit that maximum affordability. And last but not least, number three, applicants will no longer be able to use any sort of down payment that is going to put them further into debt. So this means unsecured lines of credit, secured lines of credit, or even equity in your existing home. This will eliminate the flex down program as well as prevent people from leveraging equity in their existing homes to buy more property. We don't know what other changes are lurking around the corner, and we don't know if these changes are going to be permanent or temporary. Again, these changes come into effect July 1st, 2020. If you have a signed purchase contract prior to this date, you will be eligible to qualify under the existing rules. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to move into your property before July 1st, 2020. It just means that you have to commit to purchasing a property before then. As always, if you have any questions or want to discuss some mortgage options, reach out to myself or my team. We work extremely hard to get our clients into their homes, and we look forward to working with you.